Welcome. This tutorial is about how to open and save files in CorelDRAW. To open a new file, first go to the File menu and then click the New button. This will open a new document dialog box. The default name of the document will be Untitled 1. You can change the width and height of your document according to the requirement. Now click the OK button. As you can see, this opens a new document. After you are finished making your document, in order to save your document, go to the File menu and click the Save button. Select the name of file and click the Save button. As you can see, your file is now saved with the name of Untitled 1. In order to open an existing file, first go to the File menu and then click the Open button. Type the name of your file and then click the Open button. Thank you.